Dexter Vittorio. So the program that we use here is J option pane, and I have declared the variables for recipient name, region name, and etc. So in line 14, the user will be asked to input his name. And if the user input his name, line 16 will show up which he will be asked if he belongs to NCR region or CAR region, and if the user belongs to NCR region, he will type Y, and if the user type Y, this block will be executed. And in line 29, the user will be asked if he is a 4-piece member or not. If the user is a 4-piece member, he will type Y, and this block will be executed. And if the user is not a 4-piece member, he will type N, and this block will be executed. And if he didn't type Y or N, this block will be executed. That's all.
Hi, I'm Benedictine and I'm going to discuss the line 58 after the last part of our source code. So here in line 58, we have the second case. So if the user entered the number 2, the region name will have a string value of car region, a wage rate will have a value of 350. So after the assignment of value of these two variables, an input dialog will be displayed asking if the user is a member of 4-piece or not. So if the user entered Y, that means the user is a member of 4-piece. The subsidy will have a value of 4150 and the membership will have a string value of a member of 4-piece. After the assignment of these two variables, after the assignment of their values, message dialog will be displayed containing the recipient's name, the region, the wage rate, the subsidy, and if the user is a member of 4-piece or not. But if the user entered N, the subsidy will have a value of 5500. The membership will have a string value of not a member of 4-piece, and the same message dialog will be displayed, but the value of these two variables will be different. But if the user entered other characters besides Y and N, this block of code will be executed. So a message dialog will be displayed saying that the input was invalid. So all of the cases are basically the same from the case 1 after this case 17. The only thing that they differ is the value of the region name, the value of the wage rate, and the value of the subsidy. So the value of these three variables completely depends on this table.
Hi, this is Angel and I'm from Group 2 in Computer Programming and I will explain the output of this program. First, the user will enter his or her name in the dialog box that will appear. Next, a list of the region in the Philippines where the user resides will appear. The user must enter only the corresponding number of the region in which he or she belongs. Okay, next, another dialog box will appear and will ask the recipient if he or she is a member of 4-piece. If yes, a dialog box will appear that contains the following recipient's name and his and her region, wage rate, subsidy, and membership. Okay, if no, a dialog box will appear that contains the same information above except the value of subsidy and membership.